Scott here, and I thought I'd share with you sort of behind the scenes of my video content strategy. I was going through this with a VA that bringing on board and just explaining to them what types of video we produce, where they sit in the Google Drive, etc. like that. And I had to explain our video content strategy in a really obviously simplistic version that someone doesn't know my business, doesn't know me, doesn't know my strategies. And what was really cool is it literally did this in about 5 minutes and they get it, cool. So I thought it'd be something really good to share actually, because I don't think a lot of people take into account when they're doing videos, they kind of, I'll just do some videos with really kind of not any sort of things, and it scares them because what type of videos to do, what editing, blah blah blah. So I think it scares a lot of people, but this essentially is my video content strategy, and quite simple. So if we look at so we have the video. First of all, let's look at, and for me there's I put videos into 4 different categories. There's short form, mid form, I'm not sure that's actually a technical phrase for it, but it's what I call it, because it sits somewhere between short and long form, so it made sense, but I haven't heard it before anywhere as a terminology. But anyway, long form, and the last one that I cover is masterclass. And then with each of these, if we look at short form is sub 60 seconds, mid form is 1 to 5 minutes, so this video would come under that. Long form 5 to 30 minutes, and then masterclass 30 minutes plus, so like whether it's an hour, 90 minutes, or even 2 hours. So that's fine. And we have these different categories for our in our Google Drives, so these different folders that we set this stuff into. But then from that you look at then your distribution channels, so where are these videos going, what platforms are they going on, where they're going on, etc. And what I'll say is that, and it's probably for another video, there is 2 types of videos, where you've got videos for marketing, which is brand awareness and just more of awareness, visibility, and you've got then videos for sales, which is like call to actions, and I'll go into that'll be another video for another time, going into that in more detail. But when you're in, where I'm at the moment, into doing a bit more awareness, more visibility, then I've got a lot more distribution channels than what you might have if you just need to try and get some sales on board. So if we look at these, for example, so this is where, just simplify, like, right, these are the type of videos got where they're going. So we've got short form, so we've got FB Reels, we've got what I call FB page Reels, so Reels on my personal feed, Reels on the page as well. We've got Instagram Reels that these would go on. We've got YouTube Shorts that they go on, TikTok, and also Clapper at the moment, which we're kind of testing at the moment, but not to worry about that at the moment. So these are where the sub 60 second ones go. The mid form ones, then the 1 to 5 minutes. We look at this and go, this will work well on LinkedIn, this will work well on Facebook page and groups. So if you've got a specific group, that was quite well. YouTube as a weekly training, and then also to an email list as well, so that would be a distribution channel. Long form stuff, obviously definitely YouTube, Facebook groups, more so than your Facebook page, because if you've got a group that's specifically in your group for specific reason, obviously the content they're after, then the longer form videos work really well. And then masterclass, so masterclass is then Zoom and then email list, and that's a distribution channel for them videos. So it's like, so inviting people to our Zoom channel, and then we've also got our email list that's going to. So that's, in a nutshell, is the video content strategy for my business currently. And as I say, it's easy to understand then of where we're doing the videos, what we're doing them for, we're doing the reels, what we're doing, and then we can go more detail around how many we need to do of which for each day, which we've got separate content planners and weekly plans for. But this essentially gives you an idea of what type of videos there are and where do they sit best. And if you're just doing LinkedIn, if you're just doing Facebook, then that's absolutely fine. It's not a problem. And so that's kind of like a video content strategy. So within overall strategies, there's lots of different individual strategies within that. This is the video content strategy. Rather than just saying, oh, we're going to do video and put that on the wall somewhere, this is how you implement it and action it and get it out there and get it working for you, getting you leads and getting you clients and getting your awareness. Hope that's valuable. Speak soon.